Tired of your phone dying? The Anker PowerCore 20,000 mAh is here to save your day, charging your iPhone over 6 times. This isn't just any portable charger. It's the ultimate power solution for anyone on the go, a true essential for your electronics. With a massive 20,000 mAh capacity, you can power up multiple devices all weekend without needing a wall outlet. What makes it truly special is Anker's exclusive Power IQ technology, which intelligently identifies your device to deliver the fastest possible charge speed. Plus, its dual USB ports mean you can charge 2 devices simultaneously, perfect for sharing with a friend or powering your phone and tablet at once. Anker is renowned for its reliability, making this power bank a smart investment for consistent, safe charging wherever you are. Whether you're traveling, camping, or just out and about, this Anker portable charger ensures you're never left powerless. Ready to experience worry-free power? Check the description below for the direct Amazon link to grab your Anker PowerCore 20,000. Don't let a dead battery slow you down. This is truly one of the best electronics accessories you can buy in 2025. Invest in the Anker PowerCore 20,000 mAh today and stay charged, connected, and unstoppable.